today is going to be another one that's going to have thunderstorms in the afternoon. Get your ride in early so you're not getting wet. You guys can't really see that, but the clouds are below us right now. How'd you like to live up there? If you were to tell me that no inbreeding happens up there, I'd call you a liar. Alright, now we're back on 64. I'm gonna leave the camera rolling. I usually shut it off at this point, but man. But I'm gonna let you see the whole trip, or until it gets foggy. I'll shut it off in the fog. If I didn't have Roland with me, I'd jump up in front of that red thing. I don't know if he can do it. Yeah, we might have to wait till the next passing zone. If I were alone, I'd get up to the speed limit and just pass this Jeep. We might hit a little bit of fog. Can't tell where these folks are from. I think it says South Carolina. This part of 64 isn't bad. There's nothing out here. It's pretty. It's got some curves. I think the truck speed limit is 35 or 45. So if you're behind a truck on this road, you might be upset a little bit. There's a couple places where they're forced to pull over so you can get around. There you go. Now you got a better view. That cloud's blocking the sun, or it would have burned that off already. It's 8:15. There's a serious temperature change back there. We're definitely in the 60s now. It's actually comfortable in leathers. I hope the lens is clear so you can see what I see. This is a beautiful Wednesday morning. All right, Old Murphy Road is what it looks like. Old Murphy Road is Old 64. If you've watched any of my videos, you know how rare it is to have a vehicle on this road in front of you. Only today. Oh man. He was a U.S. Navy veteran. You guys didn't know it, I was in the Navy too.